This here is an infrared sauna, and interest in saunas has grown rapidly in the last few years, with podcasts for sure playing a large part in that. In this video, I'll review the FlexiSpot 2-person infrared sauna, and I'll break down the differences compared to a traditional sauna and why this type of sauna will probably work better for most people. I have been using a sauna religiously for the last 3 years right at home, which I built myself, which leads us to the first topic, cost. Building a custom sauna like I did will cost you tens of thousands of dollars. Infrared saunas, on the other hand, are much more budget friendly, even when compared to build on-site pre-assembled traditional saunas, which can cost 2 to 3 times more. This specific FlexiSpot 2-person sauna is just around $2,000, which leads us into our next topic, portability and ease of install. So there are a few things to consider when buying a sauna, especially if you're a tenant, but still looking to get all the health benefits of a sauna. These infrared saunas are highly portable and can fit in just about any room, whether you're in an apartment on the 3rd floor or a house. Unlike traditional saunas, which are power hungry and almost always require at minimum a 240 volt plug, which are not readily available in a home or apartment, infrared saunas use a typical 120 volt outlet found in just about any room in any house or apartment. So if you don't have much space, an infrared sauna is the way to go. Now, when it comes to install, it doesn't get any easier than this infrared sauna. The whole sauna comes right to your door on one pallet. And inside these packages, you get 6 pre-assembled panels. And it does help to have an extra set of hands to help install. But I was able to do it very easily all on my own. It doesn't take any complex tools to install whatsoever. As long as you have a Phillips screwdriver, you can get it done. The panels all come labeled and fit together with a tongue and groove design. This allows for a better fit, a smoother install, and of course, better heat retention. The panels are locked together using 3 metal clasps, which is really great for portability, allowing you to be able to quickly and easily assemble and disassemble if you do decide to transport it. The sauna is constructed out of durable hemlock panels, and the exterior has some sort of polyurethane coating to protect it, but on the inside, it's left untreated, and the species of wood is known for its ability to tolerate high temperature and humidity, and you won't have to worry about any off-gassing from the poly top coat. Now, let's talk performance. While it's true, traditional saunas reach higher temperatures, I was able to achieve the same end result with the infrared sauna by staying in an extra 10 minutes at about 150 degrees. I would also like to mention the amount and placement of infrared panels in this sauna. I have noticed while most saunas will include panels surrounding you from the waist up, they don't include any below, leaving your legs and feet feeling cooler and just not achieving the same effect. Not with this sauna. They have panels immediately behind your calves, on the bench support and below for your feet, spanning the entire width of the sauna. Now, this sauna comes with quite a bit of features that I absolutely love, so sitting through a 30-minute sauna session can be quite a struggle without some entertainment, and our phones don't seem to handle the heat very well. This sauna comes with 2 speakers built in, which can be connected to using Bluetooth, allowing you to listen to your favorite podcasts or music. And let me tell you, this is a game changer. There is a control panel found both inside the sauna and on the outside, which allows you to control the temperature, volume, all the lighting, and it also does come with a timer, which can be set for when you want the heater to automatically shut off, and also for timing your sauna sessions. The whole install process and setup took just about 20 minutes, even when doing it all by myself. Now that it's all ready to go, let's take a look inside. One thing that's very important in every sauna is the air quality while in use, and this one comes included with an air ionizer inside, which helps purify the air you breathe. On the ceiling, you will also find a sliding vent, which can also help quite a bit with getting more fresh air, allowing you to feel better during those long sauna sessions. It comes with LED lights on the exterior of the sauna, as well as 2 more inside, one of which can be changed to any color you like. The overall build quality is quite good. Even the glass door has these felt gaskets, creating a more sealed environment, shortening heat up times, and helping keep the heat in while in use. I know many of you are probably in the middle of making so many New Year's resolution plans right now, and let me tell you, the use of a sauna on a weekly basis helps with improving your cardiovascular health. And right now, if you use the link I have below, you'll also get an additional $150 off their already amazing prices. Just spent the last 30 minutes in this infrared sauna at just under 150 degrees, and it will get your sweat going really nice and your heart pumping.